Today I got a chance to check out the new Trailer Valet XL Pro tugging around the Smart Woodshop. Hi, I'm Ron Paulk, designer of the Smart Woodshop, the Paulk Workbench, and the Total Station. I want to thank Trailer Valet for loaning this to me so that I could demonstrate it and show it to you. My tool of the year last year was the Trailer Valet XL. This I demonstrated a number of times and showed you how it has no motor. It is an incredibly well-built tool for a super low price that you can put an 18-volt drill, battery drill, and move this 8,000-pound trailer around, and I'm able to do things with that I cannot do with a pickup truck. So what Trailer Valet did was they added a big brother to it. This is the same unit, but it's the Pro. What they've done is they've added this handle, so you can stand up. It's a little more comfortable to drive it around. And they've included this DeWalt 60-volt drill, angle drill, that's mounted and simply just mounted with a bolt, and you just squeeze this handle in it, and it has a lever that pushes on the trigger. So it's not a modification. You could actually take this drill off and use it as it's designed to be used, and then put it back on. I'm able to easily take this trailer out, turn it around, and bring it back, and tuck it right in where I need it. I can also take it right up to my pickup truck, so I don't need to get into the shop with my pickup and maneuver to my trailer. I can simply put the truck outside, ready to go, and then bring the trailer right up to it. That's what I do. That's what I do with the Trailer Valet and the 18-volt drill, and it's even easier with this one. So giving you a close-up look, you can see that they've created this universal drive here that just chucks in to the angle drill. And then on this side, where the handle for the angle drill goes, they have a bolt that goes through to a bracket. So it's a real simple mount. And again, you don't have to modify the drill to have it work with this. So again, I don't know if this was their intention, but getting double duty out of a big expensive tool like this would be kind of nice. What do I think about the new Trailer Valet XL Pro? Fantastic. It is so comfortable and easy to stand completely erect with this handle and this big battery drill. It just moves so easy. And again, this is an 8,000-pound trailer. The question is, though, would I buy it? Well, at this point in time, no. I have the Trailer Valet XL, and it's incredibly well priced, and I've got my battery drill that works with that. Yes, I have to bend over. It's not as easy, but I have a really nice big easy shop to move things around in here, so I want to tuck it up against the wall. I have not had a problem with that. And when I go to a job, because my jobs last longer, the Smart Woodshop is on the job for weeks or months, so I'm not having to move it every day. If I had multiple trailers, and if I moved my trailer more than once a week, then I would certainly invest in this. And particularly if I needed a battery angle drill, because it's very easy to pop this thing off and use it on the job, so I could get double duty out of it. So for now, I'm sticking with the Trailer Valet XL, but I do have my eye on this one. Hey, if you like these videos and these tool reviews, be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, but more important, share it with others. And if you want a set of plans to build your own Smart Woodshop or one of my workbenches, you can click on the link right here in the video or in the description down below.